Hello all, warm greetings. I am Mrs. Gloria Jimmy Christabel, Assistant Professor, Department of Biochemistry, V.V. Vanya Perumal College for Women, Virthinagar. This e-lecture is going to be on pest management, which is a very important aspect of organic farming. Agriculture development involves manipulating the natural environment for food production. Of course, Green Revolution has greatly increased worldwide food production, though new plant varieties and farming methods has increased food production. There exist many drawbacks such as fertilizer and pesticide requirements. The production of food in large scale hasn't solved the world's food production problem as the population continues to increase. Pest is a living organism which competes with human domestic animals or desirable plants for food or water. At the same time, they spread diseases to mankind and harms the environment. So what is pest control? It refers to the regulation or management of a species defined as a pest, usually because it is perceived to be detrimental to a person's health, the ecology, or the economy. Coming to the types of pests, it includes insects, arthropods, microorganisms, weeds, mollusks, cockroach, termites, beetle flies, spiders, snails, slugs, shipworms, and any plant growing where they are unwanted. So what is the reason for pest control? It includes to minimize losses, to minimize environmental pollution, to approach towards sustainability, maintain quality as well as quantity of production, nullify the negative effects of green revolution, ensuring food security, decrease biohazards created in the food chain due to presence of chemicals, controlling the pests and insects, getting resistance to chemicals. Coming to the factors to be determined in pest management, it involves what mix of pests are present, what attracts the pest, what are the particular habits of the pest, what are the most effective control measures to control or eliminate the pest. So the disadvantages of the pesticide usage are reduction of the beneficial species which are required for certain plant growth and non-target organisms including predators and parasites of pests. Drift of spray and vapor during the application can cause severe damage and residue problems in crops. Residues in food for humans and feed for livestock. Groundwater contamination may be caused by the leached chemicals. Resistance to pesticide use can develop in target pests due to overuse and incorrect use of the chemical. Poisoning hazards and other health effects is the major problem in pesticide usage. So, it is of great need for the pest management in the organic agriculture. So, insect management presents a challenge to organic farmers. Insects are highly mobile and well adapted to farm production systems and pest control tactics. Pest management needs to be measured not solely by the effectiveness of a single component, but how well a pest or pest complex is controlled by a set of control measures. So the methods to control pests in organic farming includes crop rotation. So crop rotation is nothing but it is central to all sustainable farming systems. It is an effective way to minimize most pest problems. Diverse rotations are effective in regulating flea beetles, cabbage butterfly, and many more. So, any strategy in organic farming should include methods for insect avoidance, managing the growth environment, direct treatment. To manage the pests and diseases effectively, producers need to understand the biology and growth of the habits of both pest and the crops. So next method to control pest includes field sanitation or crop residue management. Certain plant bugs are controlled by burning the crop residues. Next one is the seed quality. Planting physically sound seed is very important Crack in the seed coat may serve as an entry point for microorganisms. So, we have to check the seed quality before sowing. And the next is the post-plant resistance. Resistance triads of the individual plants may work directly through their effects on the enemies. So, the very good resistant triads is of great importance in the pest management. The next is the soil quality management. It is another factor to be considered with focus for pest management. Soil quality is enhanced through crop rotations, cover cropping, and applications of plant and animal materials. Intercropping. Intercropping practice is a very important. So practice of intercropping can reduce the pest problems by making it more difficult for the pest to find a host crop. Next is time sowing. Early sowing reduces pest attack in some and late sowing in some. It includes a reduction of grasshoppers, aphids in cereal crops. Next is seedling rate. So, increasing plant densities using higher rates can have positive effect on insect pest control. It's like more plants will have less impact on individual plants. Next is mixed cropping. So this practice is same as that of the intercropping, which can be followed for the pest management. And the other methods for controlling the pest includes depth of sowing. Sowing of seeds should be done when the soil is warm enough for rapid germination. Seeds that remain ungerminated in cool soil are more susceptible to damage by insects such as wireworms. Tillage. Tillage, it is nothing but plowing. Tillage should be done before seeding, after harvesting, and during summer to reduce the insect populations such as cutworms and grasshoppers. Water management is a very important method for pest control. Draining and flooding of the field control many pests such as bugs, plant hoppers, and stem borers. Mulches. So mulches play a very important role in insect control. Straw mulch has been well studied in reducing aphid infestation and viral incidences. Next, trap crops has the ability to attract pests. Usually, trap crops are planted with or around the cash crop so that cash crops are protected. Usage of plant volatiles is another means of pest management. Plant-originated monoterpenoids are toxic to nematodes. Plant phytochemicals has a potent activity of pest trapping and moreover, they act as biological control agents. So, next, these are the methods which are very important for the pest control. So, biological control agents is also of great importance and natural insecticide, that is, they are all the plant products. So, they are all of great importance and can be highly used for controlling the pest. So, these are some formulations used for the pest control. So, which includes cow urine, fermented buttermilk, tamara lassi, and some biological extract used for pest management includes mela extract, dashbarni, polygonum extract, lantana extract, neem seed extract, ganiriastra, darak, and agniastra. All these are biological extracts which can be effectively used for pest control so that we can reduce the usage of the chemical pesticide, which is of great hazard. So, concluding this e-lecture, pest management is a key component in organic farming, and therefore pest management is essential in organic agriculture because it offers a wide range of techniques and practices to prevent or minimize damages from pests without affecting the soil, water, or beneficial organisms. While much research in this area is still in its infancy, a multidisciplinary approach involving molecular biology, biochemistry, plant breeding, entomology, crop management, and economics can facilitate the investigation and subsequently provide a real world solutions for the pest problem in organic agriculture. So, To successfully control the pests in an organic system, it is important to understand the interactions of different components in a specific ecosystem. The one key strategy used for pest management in organic farming involves preventive measures and other strategies. So that's all. Thank you.